NYC Spousal Support Lawyer. Alimony and Spousal Maintenance. Spousal support in New York is one of the most emotionally charged issues couples face when ending a marriage. What the law calls maintenance is designed to provide financial balance, not to reward or punish either spouse, yet disagreements are common when one person believes support is essential to stay stable while the other fears an ongoing financial burden. When finances, lifestyle, and major life changes collide, having a knowledgeable lawyer to guide the process can bring clarity and reduce conflict. At the law offices of Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, the goal is to help spouses reach fair support arrangements with as little stress as possible while protecting both immediate needs and long-term financial realities. Alimony, spousal maintenance, and spousal support are often used interchangeably in everyday conversation, but New York law draws clear distinctions. Spousal support refers to payments made while the marriage is still legally intact, often during separation or when one spouse has unmet financial needs. Spousal maintenance refers to support ordered after the divorce becomes final. Although alimony is widely recognized, New York does not use it as an official legal term. Attorneys may still use it to help clients understand the process because it is so familiar. These payments are designed to maintain a level of economic stability, ideally allowing the lower-earning spouse to maintain a lifestyle closer to what the couple shared while taking into account changes in income and tax implications. New York recognizes several distinct types of support. Temporary maintenance may be ordered during the divorce so one spouse can meet necessary expenses. Rehabilitative support is awarded when a spouse needs education or job training to re-enter the workforce after years spent raising children or managing the home. Permanent support may follow a long-term marriage, especially when one spouse is unable to work or has significantly reduced earning ability. Reimbursement support applies when one spouse supported the other through education or training that increased earning capacity. Each form of support serves a different purpose but always reflects the couple's financial circumstances. Prenuptial and postnuptial agreements can shape maintenance by allowing couples to determine their financial rights ahead of time. New York courts typically enforce these agreements if they are in writing, signed, and properly acknowledged with the same formality as a deed. A prenup can waive support entirely, set a formula or limit duration, and a postnup can update financial arrangements after major life changes such as children, inheritance, or new business interests. Courts may still set aside provisions if there is fraud, coercion, unconscionability, or improper execution, but in most cases, a valid agreement governs the outcome. When the court determines support, it weighs many financial and personal factors: income and property of both spouses, standard of living during the marriage, earning capacity, tax consequences, duration of the marriage, age and health, parental responsibilities, and any contributions made to the marriage such as supporting the other spouse's career or staying home to raise children. Misconduct like domestic violence or the wasteful dissipation of assets may also influence outcomes. Either spouse may receive support depending on financial need. Payments are often made monthly, and if spouses cannot agree on a method, the court may order income withholding so an employer deducts payments directly. The duration of support often aligns with an advisory schedule based on the length of the marriage, though judges may deviate depending on circumstances. Pendente light maintenance provides temporary help during the case and is calculated under DRL Section 236, B, 5A, using a statutory formula capped at $228,000 of the payer's income unless a different amount is warranted. Post-divorce maintenance can later be modified under DRL Section 236, B, 9, if someone experiences a substantial change in circumstances such as involuntary job loss, a major income increase for the recipient, serious health issues, or the recipient's remarriage, which ends maintenance automatically. Understanding tax consequences is also essential. For divorces finalized before December 31, 2018, support is taxable to the recipient and deductible for the payer on federal returns. For divorces after January 1, 2019, federal law no longer allows deductions, though New York state tax law still treats maintenance as deductible for the payer and taxable for the recipient. This split makes it important to consult an attorney who understands both financial and legal implications. Spousal support can feel overwhelming, but the law firm of Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer works to protect clients' rights and guide them toward clear, fair outcomes. For help understanding or negotiating support, contact the firm at 212-537-5859 or visit 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, United States.